Hey guys, so I'm going to be throwing Fidgets onto my bed. And by the way, inspiration from me and my pets. I love her videos, so make sure to go subscribe to her. But anyways, let's go ahead and start. I'm just going to clean this off, so see you guys in a sec. Okay, I'm done. So now I'm just going to throw some Fidgets on. Let's start with this mini puppet. Okay, that didn't really make it. Let's try again. Step Shaggy Needle. Next is this black ball. Make Fidgets? Oh no, you don't! Oh my god. Look at that. Sorry the camera's blurry. Happy Valentine's Day and thanks for watching, guys. Actually, thanks for watching my epic fail. I didn't even speak today. Okay, bye.